Still working. Skinny bit. There. Couple more skinny bits. And it's all adding up to a nice little bundle for a broom. So the harvest is proceeding. Now I've got a couple of bunches. We've got sorghum drying all over the house, in the shed, everywhere. And eventually it'll turn to a beautiful pale gold colour, hopefully. Here's some sorghum drying in my shed. You can dry it upside down like that, or some people prefer to lie it flat on a rack to dry. I'm going to use this sorghum to make brooms, so I need to remove the seeds first. I've tried a lot of different implements to remove seeds, including dog grooming brushes. Anyway, so I've ended up with this thing I bought from eBay, from a saddlery on eBay, which is called apparently a metal spring curry comb shedding blade reversible. It works like a charm, works really well at getting the seeds off. If you were going to get the seeds off a lot of sorghum, you'd really need to buy a seed removing thresher or a seed removing piece of equipment, either foot operated or electrical. In addition to growing my own broom-corn, I've also bought some that was industrially processed and looks really nice. I've even bought some that was commercially dyed. This red is really beautiful. This is a sorghum broom that was handmade in Australia on a broom-making machine. In Australia, the sorghum's called millet. In the USA, sorghum's called broom-corn. Here's a child's broom that was also handmade on a broom-making machine. And this is a hand whisk I made myself using broom-corn sorghum for the bristles and kumbunji bulrushes for the handle. I really like broom making, so I'm going to make a whole nother video just dedicated to broom making. When broom makers plait or weave decorative tops to their brooms, they use stalks of broom-corn cut in half. So now that they're in half, I'm going to soak them, and after they're soaked, hopefully they'll be pliable enough to weave into something useful. Broom makers use those split stalks of sorghum to weave the handles of whisks on artisan brooms. Here I've used kumbunji or bulrush or cattail leaves to weave the handles, but in another video I'll show you how to use sorghum stalks to weave handles for brooms. Sorghum or broom-corn is an amazingly useful plant with an incredible variety of uses. It's also really pretty and easy to grow.